All right, boys and girls, if you're watching this video, it's because you wanted some additional help. So here's an example for you. Okay, 7x cubed minus 4x squared minus 400x minus 100 divided by x minus 8. I apologize for the glare, but my lamp is bouncing off the light there. Okay, all right, so if you needed help, so this is how we set it up. Okay, sorry, let me move that a little bit. Okay, so this is our binomial and it's the same as our divisor. This is our dividend. So for synthetic division, all you have to do is solve for x, okay? Or essentially, you could think about it this way. If this is x minus 8, you're basically just going to give me the number, and you're going to give me the opposite of what this is. So instead of negative 8, you're going to give me 8, okay? And then we're going to write down our coefficients. So you want them in descending order of degree or exponent. So here we have degree of 3, degree of 2, degree of 1, and our constant, which is good. That means I don't need any placeholders. And all we have to write down is our coefficients. So 7, negative 4, and we want to keep the sign that's in front. Negative 400 and negative 100, okay? And then for the very first step, all we have to do is just bring down our first value, okay? Always. That'll be the rule every single time. So we're going to write 7. And then what we do with the number that we have here is we always multiply it by our, what we call our A or our divisor. So 7 times 8 is going to give me 56, okay? And then what we do with these numbers is we just combine like terms. So do whatever operation says here. So negative 4 plus 56 is going to give me 52. Okay. And then I'm just going to use a calculator. Sorry, I needed a calculator. So 52 times 8 is going to give me 416. So 416 will go here. And then again, just combine like terms and bring that down. So now negative 400 plus 416 will give me just 16. And then take this value and multiply it by 8. So 16 times 8 and 128. So this will be 128 in here. Okay, so the numbers that go here, we multiply by our divisor, and see the numbers in blue, we just combine them. So we just bring it down. So negative 100 and 128, we just end up with 28. Our last number is going to be our remainder. And the way we write our new polynomial or our quotient is whatever degree this is, this will be one less. So this is going to be 7x squared plus 52x plus 16, okay? And then this is our remainder. So you always put your remainder outside of the parentheses. So plus 28. And then the way they want your answer is they want you to take your binomial or your divisor and multiply it to the front, okay? Because again, whatever you get here times your divisor times your quotient plus your remainder should give you what you started off with, okay? So let's try one more. If you feel like this is enough, then you can just go on to either the next video or the homework, but I'm going to do one more. Okay, for the next one, we have 2.5x cubed plus 6x squared minus 5.5x minus 10 divided by x plus 1. I wanted to do one with decimals on purpose, okay? So here we go. In our little square, we're going to put negative 1. Do you see that? How it's x plus 1? So you're just going to give me the opposite. Okay, and then our coefficients should be 2.5, should be 6, negative 5.5, and negative 10. And again, we're not missing any degrees, so there's no reason for placeholders, okay? Okay, so the very first term, just bring it down, 2.5. Then we multiply 2.5 times negative 1, negative 2.5. And then we combine like terms. 6 minus 2.5, 3.5. Then we multiply 3.5 times negative 1, negative 3.5. Then we combine like terms. Negative 5.5 minus 3.5, negative 9. Negative 9 times negative 1, 9. And then negative 10 plus 9, negative 1. So this is our remainder, okay? So here we go. We start with degree of 3. So over here we should have degree of 2. So our polynomial should be 2.5 x squared plus 3.5x minus 9 with the remainder of -1. So we want to subtract 1. So this is our quotient, our remainder, and our divisor should be x plus 1. Okay? And that's it. Okay, again, boys and girls, either come back to the chat or move on to the next video or your homework. Okay? Good luck.